there, put in children there. Una never know the one when they hurt me. Oh, una never know the one when they fight for, so when they hurt me. Oh, God, my husband, why would he do this to me? We are living in government house here in Europe with my children. We are suffering. My husband can't even stop. He can't even take over the rentage. Only 400 euro we are paying for rent. He cannot even take over the rentage. Instead, he's still fighting me. Say the children when I get for them, they are paying. Government is paying 200 euro each. 3 of the children, 600 euro. We are going everywhere for settling matter. Say we must share the distance. One must buy food, one must pay rent. But he gather all his money that is working. He is working day and night and taking it to Nigeria. The woman in Nigeria, he bought her house, a car for her that she is driving. The woman in Nigeria, he opened a shop, big shop in there. The woman in Nigeria is living in the house I used my money to build. Please, my brothers and sisters, just they leave your comments. Just they leave your comments, oh. Just they leave your comments. Hey. Because this man, na aye lala, na me uta dey go. Aye lala, he go chop chicken head and chicken finger and chicken, everything wey dey for inside chicken. He go chop and raw. Na aye lala, na me and you dey go. How could you have done that to me?
What's wrong with you?
How could you have done that to me?
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
How could you have done that to me?
Done what to you?
How could you have done that to me? I invested for nothing. How could you have done that to me? How could you have done that to me? Look at you. Oh, mama na plenty. Look at you. I thought you were a human being.
You don't have attitude.
Eh? I thought you were a normal human being. I thought you were a good person.
Look at this woman. She's saying that the last time she had good sex with me was when we were dating. When you have no character, you have no manner. How will my John Thomas get up? My people, you want to talk for this matter now? Which kind of person you be? What is wrong with you?
Oh God.
As an African man, I'm allowed to get married to more than 1, 2, 3, 4 wives. I understand. We invested money. We invested in the building in Nigeria.
We invested. We or me.
So
I invested in your building.
So my
and he's telling me that we are allowed. Please share this video. He's saying that as an African man, I am allowed to have 20 women, 100 women. No problem. Oh. Sew your coat according to your size. As long as he have the money, he can take care of me and my children that are here and take care of 21,000 women that are also in Nigeria. Not with my money. You talk the truth now. Do you talk the truth? After investing, working so hard to support my husband to grow. Tomorrow people will say, women in Europe, they don't want to settle down. Women in Europe, and their eye is not there for a husband house. They don't want to build with their husband. Women in Europe, single mothers everywhere, 24 hours on the internet. How do you expect us not to wisen up when my husband did such a thing to me? How can he do such a thing to me? My hard-earned money. My husband used it to bid for another woman. If they do it to you, you go like him.
You are saying your hard-earned money.
I worked hard for it.
But we're living
you
together.
were sitting at home doing nothing.
Hold on, good and fine.
You were sitting at home doing nothing.
When you were going to for the street walk,
but
when you come back in the morning, I do massage you.
Hey.
Is that not part of work, my brother, my sister?
Hey, God. Oh.
I allow her to go for road walk, and when she comes back, I massage her, I take care of her, I make sure I give her something to eat, give her water to shower. At least both of us work the money together.
Hey.
So what is the problem?
Hey.
She's just been, what I see is that she's just been jealous. I'm here with you. You are complaining that I don't service you all the time. How will I? When all the time you are always nagging, you are always making problem.
Hey, God.
Today 30,000 euro, tomorrow 30,000 euro. Are you the first woman to invest in a man?
Hey, God.
I'm not even a man, I'm your husband. What is wrong with you?
You are crazy. Now God, now you go cut off this. In fact, now one lip, now you go cut. Not be the two of them. You go cut out the down of your lips. By the time God help me, cut out the down of your lips because I don't have power. Whatever day your mouth go they pour down. You don't go see the down lips they cover. Now say you come be.
You be like member.
Yeah.
You be like member.
Now some spit go they pour out. By the time God will help me to cut out my husband, this one, now this under lips, now I ask God make he help me. By the time he's done, you know go see this one, take cover up, and how you will be. Now so spit go they come down. That is what I am asking. Okay? That's how it go be. Only that one I ask God make he do for me. Oh, may God help me cut out. Hopefully before tomorrow morning, the down lip go down come out for all these bad words when they tell me. May God not just remove the two lips, oh. I beg God, not remove the two lips, because if you remove the two lips, he will still look handsome. But if by the time you remove one lip, just one part, I am sure that time you gonna know say Jesus is Lord.
I don't fit tell you before, say.
God go remove your lip for me.
Say I'm me.
Look at you. Biggie Belle, chopping my money. I don't know, say now this one that they sing that song when they sang that time for Nigeria. Biggie Belle, chopping my money. Biggie Belle, eh. Biggie Belle, chopping my money. Look at how fresh he's looking. Look, see him Belle. Biggie Belle, chop my money. Type be this. That is his name. Woo! Biggie Belle, chop my money. Oh, le bruku.
If not be jealousy, they worry this woman. Or she's just self-centered. Wait, stop am. Okay, now you know that I have a wife in Nigeria. If not that you are wicked. Okay, wait, stop am from her using her own document. Make we bring my first wife come so that two of them will live together with me here. She's just bragging. Okay, 30,000 euros. She's living in Nigeria. I understand. She have a shop. I understand. But the situation in Nigeria is too critical. You have to consider her. At least I've been begging you. Let's use your document in bringing that one down here so all of us can manage together. We all can work together. Am I not reasonable?
Hey God, oh.
I'm trying to be reasonable here.
You must settle this matter. You must settle this matter, don't
You are very, very wicked, my sister.
Oh.
What kind of...
Oh God. I don't see. Now the biggest problem, what annoys me most is that house, whenever I visit with my children, we are not allowed to go to that house we built. Oh, that's what that the children I have, they are also my husband's kids. My husband dare not to let me bring those kids into his own house because his first wife is living there. My children dare not to enter that house. Me, myself, dare not to visit the house I invested hard. Oh, you must settle this matter. How can you say, madam, you know they try you? After all, like seriously? You not try. I not try you, Abi. In the other way, in a positive way, say, I not try, give a man money. I'm sure that is what you are saying.
No, he's saying you not try because if you try, at least now family we all be now. We have to reason to yes now. God bless you, my brother or my sister.
Hey.
We are supposed to reason as a family. Let's bring my wife, my first wife, at least.
Make I help my husband bring his first wife.
Oh.
Beg your wife for her to have trusted you with her hard-earned money. This is what they are saying. You see? He says, sack the woman in Nigeria from their house. Okay, I should sack the woman. I'm supposed to sack the woman, but my husband built the house with his name, oh. Because I trusted him. I just left everything under his control as a man when he be. So that he no go feel like, say, I am an arrogant woman. I am a woman who does not want to settle down. I was just giving him the money. I trusted him. Because tomorrow night, like I say, women wait there for Europe, not get character. Women wait there for Europe, they are not ready to settle down. Women wait there for Europe, they are very greedy. Now money, now benefits, make them they leave husband house. This case is not like that. Oh. In this case that I am now, it's just not like that. I worked so hard, I gave my husband the money. Now it's time for us to settle down. He just impregnated me. Before he even impregnated me, said now war. Finally, we live together. Before I found out that he has wife and kids at home. In fact, I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. You are a wicked man. You are a wicked man.
I'm a wicked man.
You are a wicked man. You don't get strength to work for yourself.
Not
you are
a weak man again.
Wicked.
Not a weak man again.
You are wicked.
Man.
You are wicked and weak. All of them go with W. However you like, you spell the first one. You are wicked and weak.
And wizard too.
You are everything with W. You are. Everything that starts with W, now my husband be wicked, wizard, weak. Mona, they bring me some words. I need you guys to send me some words. I need some words, guys. Another name for my husband. Another insult name that I can give to him right now. I need it. Wicked, weak, wizard. Wait here again. You are not a warrior. You are a fool. You are a fool. Since I can't find another word, you are a fool. You are a fool.
You should be grateful
Shameless
to God.
man.
You should be grateful to God that I married you.
Shameless man.
If I did not marry you, maybe you would have been a single mother.
This is 21st century.
Maybe you would have been a
This